This is ALVAN IKOKU College of Education before. Now is the Federal University Education in Imo State, Owerri. So guys, I know that the media have lied to you about this school, but I'm here today to show you the things inside this school. If you are a parent, if you are a mother or a father that want to put your son or your daughter in this school, make sure you do stay to watch this video and share it to others to see. So this is inside the school. I'll be showing you every area of this school, and I'll be showing you the provost office too. So guys, all you have to do for me is just to like, subscribe and share this video. Let's go. Let me show you this school. This is when I entered inside this compound. Starting from the gates, I entered inside the compound. I'll be showing you every step and every areas of this compound of this school. Stay tuned and let's go. So this is the provost office. When you entered inside the gates, this is the provost office by the right hand of you. So when I'm going down, So this is when I'm going down from the gates. So this is ALVAN Federal University Education, Owerri, Imo State. So I arrived the field side. This is department. So this is also the field, the primary school inside the premises, inside the compound of ALVAN. So I'll be going down there showing you everywhere. This is the stand of the field inside ALVAN IKOKU. So this is the stand. I don't know, maybe they call here pivotal or what, I don't know, but I covered everywhere. So this is when I was going down. This is a hostel. After the hostel side, you go down. Also, this is another department here. So I'm still going down. This is ALVAN IKOKU, the most clean school I have ever seen. Maybe the media have been lying that ALVAN is dirty or something like that, but I came in here and I took every video. I covered everywhere. Everywhere was neat and clean. You can see everywhere was neat, sparkling, clean. So I'm going back now. I'm going up back now. So this is the garden field side, and this is a health department. This is a health department by the right here. When you are going back to the gate side, this is a health department. So this is ALVAN IKOKU. So I'm going back to the entrance side, the gate side. So this is another department area also. I entered from this side to see the environment of the school. Everywhere was clean. My people, if you have watched to this stage now, please make sure you do comment on this video. Tell me, have you been here before? Did you school here? Are you schooling here, or have you schooled here before? Drop a comment. Comment your department. Comment yes and right, and comment your department. Tell us your department and your experience in this school, because this school is very neat. This is ALVAN IKOKU Federal University Education, Imo State, Owerri. It's here in Owerri. So this is department also. This is department. So when you are going down, this is also department. So guys, I'm showing every area and corners of this compound of this school. So I'm going down. This is another department down here. You can see this is another department. You can see this is another department. I'm still going down. Everywhere is clean. Everywhere is clean. If your parents that want to put your school here, you know that this is the ICT Resource Center. The ICT Resource Center is here. So this is the International Center for English Studies right here. This is the Quality Assurance Unit. where your children can be respectful. Alvan can give you all that. So this is another international complex house building inside this premises. So I'm covering everywhere, guys. I'm covering everywhere. This like international education building. So guys, I'm going back to the gate side now. I'm going down back to the gate side. Now the entrance side. This is the compound. This is the provost office right here when you come inside the gates by the right side. This is the compound. I have covered everywhere that you can see. You see, this is when you are going out, like you are going out outside the gate. This is the entrance of the ALVAN IKOKU Federal University Education, Imo State, Owerri, Imo State. Is in Owerri, Imo State. So guys, thank you for watching. We are outside now. If it's your first time to see my channel, to see my video, don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Thank you. Comment. Your comment means a lot to me. Your subscribe and like means a lot to me. I thank you guys. I love you guys. I'll be showing you areas in this state, in this Owerri town. Thank you guys and keep on watching my videos. I love you guys. Keep on watching. Let's go, guys. I love you. I love you so much, my people. Take care.